Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm going to be replacing my detent, or not detent, my shift selector springs. These are going to make my make the gears go even more stiffer. As you guys know, if you guys watched my not last video, but a few videos back, I actually replaced my detent springs. The 3 detent springs is right under the motor mount and on the tranny. And yeah, this one is probably going to make my shifter way stiffer than I would like, but I'm gonna try it to see how I like it. I'm gonna try to attempt this. I heard is a little bit harder than taking the detent springs off, but hopefully this shouldn't be too bad. So yeah, let me set everything up and I'll put you guys on the time lapse, or I don't know, I'll figure it out. All right guys, just check out the battery. I'm not even close to getting this, but yeah, the shift selector should be right there. Hope you guys can see. Yeah, I need to clean my intake, bro. But yeah, let me figure out everything and it should be straightforward, hopefully. All right, guys, this is the next day. I had to stop last night because I got stuck. I didn't have a what you call it, an 8mm hex big socket. I didn't have this. I didn't have the socket for the bottom of the selector, as you can see right there. I'm pointing at it. If you don't have this, you're pretty much fucked. But if you do, then nice, I guess. But I got stuck on the last night. I already unloosed 4 of the shift selector bolts. Both, or 4 of them are for 10mm. I already loosened them. Alright fam, I'm back. Time to get to work, I guess. I gotta take the 10 bolts out, or the 10mm bolts out, and hopefully it should be fine. Alright everyone, finally took the selector out. It was a pain to drop shit, or it was a pain to take the shit out, but here it comes out. Woo. Alright. Just to show you guys, this is high racing. The big one. Pretty good. I haven't felt the OEM ones, but sounds like a fucking bitch. Give you guys a close comparison. Alright. This is the 01 spring. It's the one too. Comparing to all new ones, how racing's on 2 fingers or 3. Stiffer, dude. Can you guys that shit up? Alright. Alright, homies. I did a very bad job of filming because I got frustrated and but I did mess up a few times. Just be careful with the springs and stuff because I did reverse some stuff too. So just make sure you do everything right. Shout out to Brandon, he helped me. If I didn't have a second hand with me, I'll probably go confused and kind of crazy because I was kind of lost. But yeah, I tore down everything. These I did not tear down. I hand tightened it as best I could, but I read on some forums you can strip these, so be careful when you do it. But yeah, I'm just tightening everything up now. I just need to plug in my rears lock out again, and yeah, I'll let you guys know how it's like, and yeah. Alright guys, I'm finally done. I took my car around the block for a test drive. It feels a little bit better. Probably because I'm so used to having the detent springs installed in the high racing shifter. It's really overkill, but it's whatever. It's really good in my opinion. But yeah, the major difference is just the side-to-side movement when you're in neutral. Other than that, reverse is a little bit harder to get in reverse now. When I first put my detent springs and my high racing, I struggled to put reverse, but it is manageable. It's just I don't know why it does that, but yeah. I will give you guys a review today, but I'm beat. I've been doing this for I guess 2 days, I guess, and a half, you want to say. But yeah. I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow for a review. I'll put you guys on a GoPro. I'm pretty sure, and I'll probably tell my nephew Matthew's coming with me. But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it for today, and see you guys tomorrow. Yo, what's up, guys? This is like the 2 days after I what you call it? It's like 2 days after I installed the springs. I'm gonna go do a review for you guys today. Hope the angle is pretty good. Yeah, hope you guys are having a good day. Installing the springs was like pretty easy, I guess, but if you don't know what you're doing, you might fuck up because inside the shift selector, there's like this spring that keeps the selector together, and if you don't know what you're doing, you might mess something up. I actually reversed this metal piece that's in the selector itself. I'll try to show a picture up here, but yeah, I flipped it around, and if you don't do it right, you can't even put the shifter in the back to the trans. So yeah, if you're doing this install, just make sure you follow the instructions really well. Luckily, I have a buddy Brandon with me, helping me out, and you know, shout out to Brandon for bringing the twerker wrench for me, because I was not trying to twerk it down with my own strength because I'm a skinny ass dude, right, Matthew? I'm playing, but yeah, I'm just driving around for a bit, give you guys a review. But the only major difference with the springs is that only the side of sight is more stiffer, but the detent springs makes it more like what you call it? It makes it more stiffer too, just going in gear. Yep, I'm vlogging. Follow me at RSX Nick. I'm just playing. I actually bought a banner the other day, and I messed it up. Right, Matthew?
Yeah.
I bought a 40 bucks worth of banner. Is this group called Just for Fun? I think it's how you say it. But it was a badass piece, but I didn't do it right, so yeah, I threw it away. Oh well. I would have a cool banner right here to block out the sun from me, but whatever. Hopefully this angle is good for you guys. I can't really see it because I have a second gen GoPro, I think. But yeah, man, if you guys are really looking to upgrade your shifters or your transmission wise, definitely do it. I upgraded my detent springs and my shift selectors, and now I have the whole Hybrid Racing V3 short shifter, and it feels amazing. I think all I gotta do, upgrade is just the shifter cables, shifter bushings, and that's pretty much it. That's what I can do for my transmission. And then I'll probably, this car's getting old too, so I might rebuild my transmission or just buy a whole new LSD from SI. But yeah. We're not doing any pulls today, man. It's a weekday, right, Matthew? I'm pretty sure all RSX owner has this problem where your axle shield is rattling. I actually tightened it once, but it's back to rattling again. Yeah, back to the springs. Yeah, the only major difference is just the side-to-side movement. Other than that, it's pretty not that bad. Like it's like a little bit more difference. Like it's more, I wouldn't say notchier, but it's more crispier shifts into the gear. But I think it's just me getting used to my detent springs. So I don't know. I just got used to it, I guess.
They're like, why the hell will you see that car?
Yeah.
Around?
They're like, why is the dude wearing GoPro? Small ass dude wearing a fucking GoPro in his head and shit. Right. These people looking at me. I don't care because I'm a full-time YouTuber. I'm fine. Yeah, guys, this is it. I'm pretty you guys watched the video. The springs, I give it a, like what? You felt it before, right?
Yeah, I felt it.
What do you think? What rating would you give it? This is hybrid racing, bro. We trying to get sponsored out here, man.
I'll give it an 8. But
Out of what?
8 out of
10.
But it's really hard to like shift. You gotta put in some effort in it.
Well, only the set-aside movement though.
Yeah, the side. I couldn't go to fifth gear. It's hard.
Yeah. I'll let Matthew try it real quick. What car do you want in the future, Matthew?
RSX or Selector.
I've been telling this kid get RSX because once he gets older, it'll be really hard to get a GSR. Pressing the clutch, boy. Look at that. Take it. No force it, man. You're gonna break my gears. It's neutral, right? It's on that side.
Effort.
I don't think you're gonna see it. Let me see it again. But yeah, I guess I'm gonna take a few photos for the YouTube, even though I'm always here for the thumbnails. All right, I'll see you guys back when I'm done taking pictures. All right, trying to head back. Let's go back home. Why don't you jaywalk? Why are you jaywalking? I got you recording.
if you try to make us pull you over, then
That's funny, bro.
well, you wanted to take
You hear the crackles? Got sweaty, bro.
Yeah, it slipped up.
I need to get in the shifter. I don't know when to end the vlog, but I guess end the vlog at the house. Yeah, I should end the vlog at the house.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we're back at home. This is probably the end of the video, but I'm sorry if I didn't go too in depth with installing the springs itself, because I was just stressing. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Alright guys, we're back at home now. I guess this would be the end of the video. Hoping you guys.
Fuck, man, put that over too.
Alright guys, we're back at home. This is gonna be the end of the video. I'm sorry if I didn't go too in depth with installing the springs, but yeah, this is it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Did I say that already? I think I did. Oh my god, I'm messing up.